So, guitar campers, I've had a question about relating the scale numbers to the scale letters. And the best way to point it out is it's all based on the C major scale because there are no sharps or flats. There's no F sharp. It's all just whole letters, and the numbers are completely based on it, like this. So the C major scale in letters is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So you'll notice right away that between the B and the C, it's a half step, and between the E and the F, so that carries over. That half step between B and C and E and F are the same as between numbers 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So if we move that down to the G scale, it's the same. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. And all chords in a diatonic progression are based on those 7 numbers. And when you begin to move it using each number, for example, a G chord, built of all 1s, 3s, and 5s. 1, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1. Now if we take the 2 and if we assume that the 2 is now its own chord, but we have to use the G major scale, 1, flat 3, 1, flat 3. That's how you get a minor chord. So the 2, 1, flat 3, 5, 1, flat 3, 5, that gives you a minor chord. And so that's a 1, a 5, 1, flat 3, 5, 1. So there's a G major, A minor. And so that means that we're using this A minor chord is constructed only from notes of the G major scale. And the same is true for, so we have a 1 major, 2 minor, 3 minor, 4 major, 5 major, 6 minor, 7 diminished, back to 1. Don't worry about 7 diminished for right now. So that all of that information I just gave you carries across music. A 1, 4, 5. Those are the 4 chords. The 1, the 4, and the 5 have a natural 3. Once you get a flat 3, you've got a minor chord. So G, A minor. Here's an A major. The A minor resonates with the 1 chord. So the 1, 4, 5 are major. Those are the only 3 chords that have a 1, a 3, and a 5. Everything else has some other variation of that because they're minor chords or diminished. So you can, and the 1, 3, 5 being the basis of a chord, if we look at a G and we come up here to a D-shaped G. So you take a D, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G. That's a 5, 1, 3. And there's actually, from this G, there's another 1 back here. 1, 5, 1, 3. So if we look at that and we say, okay, if we use the same rules, 5, 1, 3, and we just want to look at the whole number chord tones, we have 1, 5, 1, 3, or 1, 3, 5, 1, 3. Now that's a C shape. The C shape down here, when you walk it up, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. And that scale from your pinky on the 10th fret to your index on the 7th scale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Those are whole numbers, and I always look for patterns. So here and here is the same. That's the E string and the E string. Well, the B string is a repeat of that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7. So there's a repeating pattern. When you get to the G string, you only play 2 notes, the 6 and the 5. So far we have, sorry. And then we have 2 repeating patterns. And then the E strings back to the, so we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. So those notes are all part of the scale. Identical, identical, 2 notes, identical the other way. And it's good to get 1 finger per fret and be fluid. You may not always play it 1 finger per fret because you'll start using other notes and influencing them differently, but you always have to see the mapping, this C into D shape, to see that. You have to see that scale in order to pluck out the notes that you're looking for. So getting that scale down from the pinky on the 10th fret, there's the 5, to the index 3. So we're going to go. And then here's the really good technique is to take that, walk it backwards. 1, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I've taken 2 scales, one here, and I've tied it into the original scale. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And there's a lot of music to be made in just that area. There's more to cover, but that's enough to chew on for now. Work it.